Okay, hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Reach You Soon, and today's video I'm gonna play one quiz game with her in which she could win, not only she, either it's she or me could win 10,000 rupees. So keep watching our video till end. And actually the game is we both have searched 10 random English tough words from the Google. She has searched for me and I have searched for her 10 words. So basically the game is she'll show me actually this one word. We'll show each other one by one, and we have to pronounce it. How to pronounce this word correctly in correct manner. So shall we begin, Miss Sagi?
Yeah.
Are you ready with your 10 words? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah. So you are ready, I'm ready. At the end of this game, we'll count our points,
Yeah.
marks, and we'll see who'll win.
Yeah.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I'm
One more thing I would like to tell you that at the end of this game, I have 5 picture words for you. You have to guess. I'll show you picture and you have to guess. If it could be symbol, it could be fruit, or it could be vegetable. Are you okay with it?
Is that complimentary?
Yeah, it's complimentary. Here you can write Sage and share here 10 words
Okay.
now. So on the right side of the screen, these are my 10 words what I have searched for, and on the left side of the screen these are the 10 words she has searched for me. So who will ask first?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll ask you the first one. And also, I'll tell you the meaning of this word. Your first word is this on the screen for you people and for you. How many chances for correct pronunciation?
3.
3
Two.
or more, I think.
2. Okay.
Only 2 chances.
It's 0 size.
Can you please speak loudly?
It's 0 sis.
Okay, one last chance.
0 sis.
How could you spell it correct on your second attempt?
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
xerosis. It means dryness of skin.
Okay.
It's a disease, so your first word is correct.
On the screen you can see this is the word for me, and quotidian.
Sorry.
Quotidian, right? Yes. I'm ready. It was difficult. I'm seeing this word for the first time in my life. I just made a guess and it was right. But what's the
Daily
meaning of
occurrence.
quotidian?
Daily occurrence.
Daily occurrence. Okay. Now the second word for you is on the screen. You people can see the second word for her is basically the meaning of this word is a fever.
Pyrexia.
What? Okay. Go ahead.
Pyrexia.
Oh, you are correct, man. Pyrexia. It's correct. Now it's my turn. Come on, baby. Hurry up. It's isthmus. It's a medical term. Isthmus.
Yeah, it's a medical
So mine
term.
is also right. Now the score is 2-2. Simple word. Maybe she doesn't know the meaning of this word, but what I can guess, she can pronounce it very well now. This is your word on the screen for you.
It's horripilation.
What?
Horripilation.
Yeah, it's right. Horripilation. Horripilation means goosebumps. Now it's my turn. I'm waiting for very difficult word she has searched for me. Is very tough word. You people are watching on this screen. It's partiality, right? You are cheating. You have searched a very tough word for me. Now I will try to spell it. I am seeing this word for the first time also. SESQUIPEDALIan.
Sorry.
SESQUIPEDALIan.
Very close actually.
SESQUIPEDALIan.
Very, very Actually, it's 90% right. What
If
you're
it
saying.
if it is 90% right, you can give me the point. What is the correct pronunciation of this word? Is SESQUIPEDALIAN?
SESQUIPEDALIan.
No, I'm right. Almost
Yeah,
90 to
almost.
95%. Okay, now should I mark yes here?
Okay, next time you should mark for me also.
If it is near close to the 90% or above 90%,
Okay.
now word for you is this.
It's bodacious.
One more time.
Bodacious.
Yeah, you're right. Bodacious mean excellent, attractive. Placate,
Sorry.
placate,
Placate.
placate. Again, more than 90% right.
So I cannot say all the time. You're right.
Okay. According to you, placate-
Nearby, yeah.
So again, I'm right.
Next time you won't.
But what does it mean, placate?
Placate means make less angry or hostile.
Okay, now very interesting word on the screen for you people and on this paper for her.
It's lickety-split.
You need to speak it very, fast.
Lickety-split.
No, one
Then?
more. No. Some I will give you. One of the board is silent. We don't have to put stress on that particular word while speaking.
Lickety-split.
No. So here you are wrong. It's what you said. One more time.
First time or the second?
First time.
Lickety-split.
No, it's not like it. It's lickety-split.
And
So
you
it's-
said lickety also.
It's a lickety. No, you said only lickety. Okay, it's lickety-split. It means as soon as possible. It's a short form of the. So you're wrong here. It's aberrant.
No,
Aberrant.
no, it's aberrant.
It's aberrant. What does it mean?
It means deviating.
So the game is tied here after five questions each. The game is tied. So we have 5 more questions for you. Now this word is for you. On the screen for you people.
All medical.
No, it's not medical. Rumbling sound in stomach. Generally, British are used to spell this word, speak this word actually.
Borborygm.
No, not close. अभी बहुत टफ होने वाला है लेवल आगे शुरू में तो
Borborygm.
एक्चुअली इसको 2 तरीके से बोल सकते हैं. एक तो आपने अभी जो बोला बोर्बोरिज्म, एक बोर्बोराइज्म. सो
Okay.
बोथ आर करेक्ट. वेरी डिफिकल्ट वर्ड. You got it right. Okay, now it's my turn. Okay, Worcestershire.
No,
Worcestershire.
no.
It's Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. Okay, not Worcester. Again wrong. 4 out of 6, and she has got 5 out of 6. Now it's her turn
Swallowing.
again.
Swallowing.
I can say 90%.
Yeah, it's
But you,
swallowing.
I'm just giving giving you one more chance so you can spell it right.
Swallowing.
Yeah, swallowing. It's right again.
This is your word.
Synecdoche.
No,
Synecdoche.
wrong. The synecdoche.
Very difficult word. I'm losing, man. I have to win all the remaining. This is your word.
Cholelithiasis.
The fuck? How could you do that? I thought you cannot spell it.
It's your false language.
Yeah, I thought you cannot spell it.
Why? I was making reports with you, right?
Oh my god, I forgot you are making reports with me. Okay, now You have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right. 2 remaining. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 remaining. I have to win all the 3.
Okay.
Prevaricate. Some confidence, some boost up for the rest of the questions. Some boost up, and I need energy. This is gonna be very difficult word for you.
Unrimacadamized. Yeah, macadamized. Macadamized.
Yeah, you're right. So technically you have won this game. अब तो सिर्फ औपचारिकता ही बची है. कोई बात नहीं, आगे और भी गेम्स खेलेंगे हम लोग वीडियोस में. कभी ना कभी
so
तो.
this is your word.
The last word for me is
Not last. Second last.
okay. Second last. It's shide.
No.
Shide. Shide.
It's child.
Child, child.
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 Here also you-
Now,
Very easy word. I have
it was
given
not
to you.
easy.
It's easy.
I have searched very easy word for you, and you answered. It's not fair, no. It's not fair, Sadir.
It is fair.
I'm sure you're gonna spell it wrong. The last.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah. Now,
Shenanigan.
Shenanigan. Wait.
Yeah.
You heard? You heard it while I was listening to this?
No. Right? Right or wrong?
Shenanigan. Right. Okay, the last word for me. Actually, I searched very tough words for you, but at the end, you played a game with me. What's this, Sadir? You spent whole day searching these words for me. What were you doing?
Tell me.
Words.
Right.
Am I right? Oh my God! Finally.
Worse.
What does it mean?
It means
Pressure on-
pressurizing.
Okay.
So,
So 10,000 रुपए तो आप जीत चुके हैं. Now
give me.
I will transfer these.
Okay.
I will transfer this money into your account of Google Pay now. You want it now or tomorrow?
No.
Later on, after the end of the video, I'll pack up all these things, mic, camera, okay, guys. So, abhi,
So-
for last में इनके
I
लिए
got how many right and you got
you got 9.
and you
got 9 out of 10, and I got
6 out. of
6
it.
out of 9. I need to practice more and more. In next video, next session, I'm sure I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna beat you. ये जो लोगो आप देख रहे हैं स्क्रीन पे, ये कौन सी कंपनी का है? Not Red Bull. Actually it is car company. Bull है.
So, right.
One last chance.
This time?
No, it's Lamborghini. Okay, second one is you have to tell me the logo of this company car. Which company car has this logo?
I don't remember.
This is Mazda. Mazda. Now, you have to tell me the fruit in this picture. Name
Okay.
of this fruit actually.
Peach.
It's not peach.
It is peach.
No, it's not peach.
It's peach.
इसका नाम बताएं.
Nectar.
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 Nectarine. Okay, nectar is right.
और इसका, अब ये जो स्क्रीन पे फ्रूट दिख रहा है, इसका नाम बताएं आप.
Already yesterday.
Okay. This is basically custard apple.
Oh, yeah.
सीताफल. सीताफल बोलते हैं इसको. Now, बहुत ही फेमस सेलिब्रिटी हैं आजकल, बहुत छाए पड़े हैं बॉलीवुड पे. वैसे तो वो ये टॉलीवुड जो अमेरिकन फिल्म मूवीज बनती हैं साउथ की, तो उनको टॉलीवुड बोलते हैं, मे बी बट बॉलीवुड में भी इनका पूरा छाए पड़ी सब मूवीज जो इनकी, तो इनको देख के आपको इनका नाम बताना है, ये कौन है. आप सब लोग जानते हैं
हाँ, I don't
KGF 2 चैप्टर 2 मूवी अभी भी इनकी पूरी मार्केट में करोड़ों रुपए कमा रही है.
I don't know.
You don't know the name. She don't know the name.
Because I don't know.
Okay, name. Oh, sorry. His name is Yash. Yash. Okay, now 5 picture cards are over. Now she has won 10,000 bucks. For me, I have to transfer 10,000 bucks into her account via Google Pay. You want it? You want it through Google Pay, right? Okay, guys. See you in the next video. And the next video, I promise you, I'm gonna win this game for sure.
Okay,
And
let's see.
in the next video, we are going to play a game based on Punjabi, very tough Punjabi words. The theme would be I'll spell one Punjabi word and she had to explain me what does this word mean. तो अभी हम इस वीडियो को अभी बंद करते हैं, फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए शुभ रात्रि, शब्बा खैर. हमारे चैनल को कीजिए सब्सक्राइब, शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो को वायरल कीजिए. क्या कहते हो आप? कुछ बोले नहीं? तो बोले नहीं आप. इस वीडियो के पास कुछ मैंने ब्लूपर्स रिकॉर्ड किए, तो वो आप तो देखिए.
Can you just off the camera?
Why?
2 मिनट करूँगी.
No, you can ask me. You can tell me what you want.
ठीक है, ऐसे में मीनिंग नहीं लिखे मैं सारे.
Okay, okay then.
हीरो बना.
आप थोड़ा
चक
थोड़ा सा
मैं
लाउड बोल
खेल-
सकते हैं ना? नहीं, खेल नहीं खेलनी.
चक तो.
ओके, ये क्या बोला आपने? क्या बोला आपने? प्लीज यार, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग यार? टेल मी.
ज़्यादा हीरो बन.
यार, please.
कैमरे ते. ठीक है ना?
ਸਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਬੋਲੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਮਾਈਕ 'ਚ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆਊਗੀ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੱਲ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਮਾਈਕ ਲਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ, ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਵਜੂਦ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਕੱਟ.
Okay.
ਜਿੰਨੀ ਉੱਚੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੜਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਨੀ ਉੱਚੀ ਬੋਲੋ. जितनी ऊंची मेरे ना तुसी लड़ते हैं रूम में, उतनी जोर से बोलो.